Are you stuck in a cycle of spending, struggling to save, and feeling like no matter how hard you work, you're not making progress? The truth is, many of us are living in the shadow of money myths that keep us stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. But what if I told you that most of these myths are things you've been believing for years? The most dangerous money myths can actually be the biggest obstacle in building wealth. They lead to poor financial decisions and prevent us from getting ahead. In this video, we'll break down the top 8 money myths that are keeping you broke and how you can avoid them to create a better financial future. Stay tuned, because we're about to challenge everything you thought you knew about money. So let's dive in. 1. I just need to make more money. Do you think that all your money problems would disappear if you just earn more? You're not alone in this thinking. Many people believe that the key to financial freedom is simply to earn a higher income. But here's the harsh truth. It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. Even high earners can live paycheck to paycheck if they don't manage their finances properly. A study showed that a third of Americans making $250,000 a year still live paycheck to paycheck. The problem isn't income, it's spending. Without smart budgeting and saving habits, higher earnings can quickly get swallowed up by poor financial choices. For example, you might be tempted to spend more as your income increases, leaving you in the same place financially. Instead of focusing only on earning more, work on managing your expenses and saving and investing consistently. The wealthiest people understand this principle. It's not about making more, it's about making the money you already have work for you. 2. Investing is only for the wealthy. Have you ever told yourself that investing is only for rich people or those who are experts? This myth keeps many people from getting started with investing. The reality is that investing is for everyone, regardless of how much money you make. The stock market, index funds, and retirement accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s are accessible to anyone who wants to start building wealth. You don't need to be wealthy to take advantage of compound interest or to grow your money over time. Even with small amounts of money, you can begin building your investment portfolio. What's important is consistency and patience. Whether it's putting a small percentage of your paycheck into your retirement account or investing in low-cost index funds, getting started is the most important step. Investing allows your money to grow over time, and that's how wealth is built. 3. All debt is bad. Do you think all debt is bad? Many people assume that taking on any form of debt is harmful to their financial health. While it's true that high-interest debt like credit cards can ruin your finances, not all debt is created equal. For example, taking out a mortgage to buy a home or getting a student loan to invest in your education can be smart decisions, as long as they are managed wisely. Good debt can help you build wealth if it is used to acquire assets that increase in value over time, like real estate or education. The key is to avoid bad debt, things that don't generate value, such as consumer purchases that don't appreciate. If you focus on managing your debt and using it wisely, you can leverage debt to your advantage. 4. I can't afford to save. How many times have you told yourself that you don't have enough money to save? This myth keeps people stuck in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. The truth is, you don't need to have a huge income to start saving money. Start small, even if it's just $10 or $20 a week. The important thing is to start putting something away. It doesn't matter if you're saving $50 or $500. The key is to create the habit of saving regularly. Once you build that habit, it becomes easier to increase your savings over time. Think of your savings as an investment in your future. When you make saving a priority, you start building an emergency fund, investing for retirement, and preparing for future goals like buying a home or starting a business. 5. I'll wait for the right time to invest. Do you keep putting off investing because you're waiting for the perfect moment? If so, you're not alone. Many people believe they need to wait for the right time to invest, but the truth is that there's no such thing as the perfect time to start investing. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Investing consistently over time, even during market downturns, is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. Don't wait for everything to line up perfectly. Get started with small amounts and continue to invest regularly, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. Over the long term, This strategy will serve you much better than trying to time the market. 6. I don't need a budget. Do you think budgeting is only for people who struggle with money? It's easy to think that budgeting is a waste of time when you're not in financial trouble. But the truth is, everyone needs a budget, especially those trying to build wealth. A budget helps you keep track of your income and expenses, and it gives you control over your money. With a budget, you can make sure you're saving and investing consistently. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and miss opportunities to build wealth. Budgeting doesn't have to be restrictive or difficult. There are plenty of budgeting tools and apps available to make it easier. Whether you prefer the 50/30/20 rule or using an app like Mint or a NAB, you need a budget. Find a method that works for you and stick to it. 7. I can't afford to live below my means. Do you struggle to live below your means because you want to keep up with the Joneses? Many people think that to be happy or successful, they need to spend on things that aren't necessary. But living below your means is one of the best ways to build wealth. You don't need to live in the biggest house, buy the latest car, or wear designer clothes to be successful. The wealthiest people are often those who live modestly, save and invest wisely, and avoid unnecessary spending. Living below your means allows you to put more money towards savings and investments, setting you up for long-term financial success. If you can make a habit of living below your means, you'll find that your savings and investments grow over time, and your wealth will increase. 8. I can't get rich without a big salary. Do you think you need to earn a six-figure salary to become rich? Many people believe that the only way to build wealth is to earn a large salary. But the truth is, building wealth has little to do with how much you make and everything to do with how much you keep. You don't need to make millions to become wealthy. What matters is how you manage your money. If you save and invest consistently, live below your means, and avoid debt, you can build wealth on an average salary. The power of compound interest means that even small amounts of money can grow significantly over time, whether you make $50,000 a year or $500,000. If you save and invest wisely, you can achieve financial freedom. So, how many of these myths were you believing? The good news is that breaking free from these myths is the first step toward building real wealth. The most important thing is to start making better financial decisions today. By investing wisely, living below your means, budgeting effectively, and focusing on long-term financial goals, you can break the cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living and start building the wealth you deserve. Remember, it's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how you manage it. The path to financial freedom is not easy, but it's possible for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on building wealth, managing your finances, and achieving your financial goals. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.